I don't even know how to put it into words. It was just the best decision I ever made doing this course.
Do I say that? Hi, I'm Izzy, or just go for it? I'm Izzy and I studied environmental science. I've always been really interested in the environment, being in nature and wanting to preserve that for as long as possible for as many people as possible across the world. So that's what prompted my study into environmental science.
Here we have a real wealth of high-end research facilities, and that opens up a whole world of opportunities for us in terms of interdisciplinary research. Most of our students say that laboratory analysis and fieldwork in particular is one of the best parts of their degree. A lot of the things they've been learning in lectures and in workshops and reading about in journal papers and textbooks actually comes to life in front of them.
Don't even get me started on the field trips. They're absolutely fantastic. There is so much that this degree can offer. I've seen so many different environmental options that you can do with environmental science. Environmental sustainability at theme parks, animal welfare. You can look at ecological surveying of protected species across the UK. There's so many different things you can do as an environmental scientist.
Since graduating from environmental science at Manchester Met, I've secured a job as sustainability lead at Robinson's Brewery in Stockport. I'm helping the business to make positive environmental changes by integrating sustainable working methods into what they're currently doing. Every job in the future is going to be a green job, so these skills are essential.
They're able to go into career paths that they really enjoy, and for that reason I think we're really in safe hands with our students.